Okay, we have from, where is that? Okay, May 2003, Revolver magazine with Marilyn Manson on the cover, Back from the Dead. Suicide Girls Rule, not sure what that is, but we'll take a looky through. Got Godsmack, Saliva, Pantera, and here AFI. Some of these groups I didn't really listen to, others I did, but let's see. Some vintage ad thingies, I guess. Suicide Girls, Rock and Roll Girls to the adult internet. The internet. It brought us all to here, folks. It did. Anyways, it had some cool old ads, some interesting little interviews. There you go.